Hi guys, so in this section we will discuss about very important concept of JavaScript to add new element in web page. So let us start with that. So what I'm doing, I created div with ID main and just created one paragraph. So we just see this page how it look like and one button. So I just put one event called on click and we are calling paragraph method. Okay, and name of this button is element. So before going through this function, we'll just see how it look like. So this is our thing, is one paragraph, and this is one button add element. Okay, let's uh, discuss this. So now what we want to do, we want to add one more paragraph. Okay, so how we can do, so we'll discuss this thing. So while clicking this new paragraph, we should add one new element. So just go to new paragraph method, just see here. So first there's one document a method called create element which create the element. So here we are creating paragraph. You want to create a class, it will you want to create a tag or you want to create a button, you just pass those things element type. Okay, after that we are creating a text node. It's just like a text. Okay, we want to put some text, so I create a text node. Okay, now I am attaching this text node to the element newly created. So the, this paragraph does not have anything. After text, we attach the text node. Now this paragraph have this CSS handle look and feel of page. Okay. After that, what we want to do, it should be part of div. For div we have created, it should be added. So what to do? First we find this div by ID main. Okay, this is div, and we attach this paragraph to this. Okay, so this is the code to add a new element. Right here we are adding paragraph. You want to add anything, you can add with this concept. Now run this. Already we ran, just refresh this page, add element. See, the CSS handle is created. Now one more thing we want to do here, that we want to create one header for that. Like this is about CSS, so it'll tell about CSS. Okay, so what we have done, we created one h2 element. Okay, similar we created one text node and just append to this h2 element. After that we want to append this newly created h2 node with our main is nothing but divisor. So first this heading node will attach to div and later this element. Okay, so let's see how it will work. Run the, okay, we already refresh. Now you see, so CSS h2 node and then it's giving heading of that. Okay, understood this. Now we added the element, now we want to delete it. So how to delete element, just go. So I return one function called remove element. Okay, so what we have to do, this is remainder. Now we want to remove first heading, so we have to see the position. So if you go to this element, so this is a first header and they have two paragraphs. Okay, so now come here and first we get header. If you just put by tag name, right now we only have one header, but if there's multiple header we need a position, so we just put 0 here. Okay, we got the 0 position, then we got the parent node of this. Okay, and then parent dot remove child this element. Similarly, what we want to delete the paragraph, so this paragraph, just again searching by paragraph, the two paragraph will come, but we want to delete second paragraph, the fourth element, and this parent is same for both thing. This is removing the paragraph. Okay, let's see how it will work. Just go, first we are editing element and just click this, it will remove the element. Okay, now we want to there's one more thing to do, just attach some attribute like color or anything, any style sheet or something. So how we can do this? Just directly we are going to this code only. So on our paragraph we want to set background color as a red. So element, this is our paragraph element, set attribute dot style equal to background color equal to red, this method call. So we'll go again, see, and see our background color. So this is the way you can add the element, remove the element, and you want to make some style or colorful, you can do with some attribute. Thank you.